Hello, it's me, Mélissa, your Arts for All teaching artist. This is the final video in the Giraffes Can't Dance unit. In this video, we will use our drums, if you have them, and we will continue to explore rhythms and celebrate dance. Let's warm up our bodies first. As we warm up, feel free to copy me as best you can. If you need to change any of the movements to feel more comfortable in your own body, go ahead and do that. Make sure that you're staying safe in your space. Start by reaching over to one side and stretch. Stretch to one side and stretch over. Reach to the other side. Reach and stretch. Then bend your knees and open your arms wide. And twist. And twist. Again, reach and stretch, reach and stretch. And to the other side, reach and stretch, reach and stretch. Bend your knees and open your arms wide. And twist. To the other side, twist. Now look up to the ceiling, look down to your toes. Look up to the ceiling, look down to your toes. To the ceiling, to your toes, to the ceiling, to your toes. Ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes. Now nod your head. Say yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look over one shoulder. Look over your other shoulder. Look over one shoulder, over your other shoulder. Look from shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. Look from shoulder, 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 shoulder. Shake your head. Say no. And roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders. Roll those shoulders. And now let's move our shoulders in the other direction. Move your shoulders forward. Roll your shoulders forward, forward. And now let's move your shoulders like a bicycle. Move your shoulders in opposite directions. And switch directions. Bicycle your shoulders the other way. Now we're going to move our chest to the front, to the side, to the back, to the other side. We're isolating our chest and coming back to the center each time. Front, center, side, center, back, center, side, center. Front, side, back, and side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Now let's move our hips. We're going to hip bump in one direction 8 times. Then we'll hip bump the other direction 8 times. Then 4 times each way. 4 times. Then we'll hip bump 2 times in each direction. 2 times. Then 1 hip bump in each direction. Ready? We'll go 8, 4, 2, then 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now shake it out. Shake your entire body. Shake your hands, your feet, your head, your face. Shake, 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 shake. It's time again for our rhythm call and response. This time you can use your drum. I made myself a teacher drum out of an old oatmeal container. I'm going to drum a rhythm on my teacher drum. Play the rhythm back as best you can on your student drum. Ready? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Very nice. Keep your drum close by. We're going to use it again. Let's review our dance styles. The waltz. Now, will you waltz with me? The cha-cha. Let's cha-cha. The tango. Will you tango with me? We have been looking at the book Giraffes Can't Dance. Can you drum out the rhythm of Giraffes Can't Dance? Giraffes can't dance. Each syllable gets its own beat on the drum. Giraffes can't dance. The way your mouth moves should match the syllables of the words, should match the rhythms you play on your drums. We meet Gerald, and it's time for the jungle dance. And we find out that Gerald is a very clumsy giraffe. Gerald is a very clumsy giraffe. Gerald is a very clumsy giraffe. Well, it's time for the jungle dance to start, and we see animals doing different dances. The warthog started waltzing. The warthog started waltzing. The rhinos rock and rolled. The rhinos rock and rolled. The lions danced a tango that was elegant and bold. The lions danced a tango that was elegant and bold. The chimps all did a cha-cha. The chimps all did a cha-cha. And 8 baboons then teamed up for a Scottish reel. And 8 baboons then teamed up for a Scottish reel. And then Gerald finally steps out and is ready to give it a go. But everyone starts looking and laughing and pointing. Giraffes can't dance, you silly fool. Giraffes can't dance, you silly fool. Giraffes can't dance, you silly fool. Gerald feels terrible. He runs away from the dance. And when Gerald leaves the dance, he finds a clearing where he looks up to the moon, and it's so beautiful. And he meets a cricket. The cricket says to Gerald, but sometimes when you're different, you just need a different song. But sometimes when you're different, you just need a different song. Just tells Gerald to listen to the sounds of the world around him. And Gerald finds his song there, and his body just starts moving and grooving like it's never moved and grooved before. Gerald can't believe his own body, and he shouts out, "I am dancing. Yes, I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. Yes, I'm dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. Yes, I'm dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. Yes, I'm dancing. I am dancing." And then one by one, all the animals from the jungle dance come out. They see that Gerald is dancing, and they also can't believe it. They say, "Gerald's the best dancer we've ever seen." And they ask him, "Gerald, how did you do it?" And Gerald looks up to the moon and tells them, "We all can dance when we find music that we love. We all can dance when we find music that we love. We all can dance when we find music that we love." We all can dance when we find music that we love. And that is the story of Giraffes Can't Dance. Great job drumming along. Let's take 3 deep breaths together.